height kayo. So very high. Kansa dili. Pwede.
You said, Papa lang, take care. Because it's so heavy. You said.
Papa take care because it's so very heavy.
Video. Lagas. We'll get balanghoy, you said. Here's the balanghoy.
Here is the balanghoy. That is our garden sa una, but unless it's already full, but unless it's already broken because we cannot. And so, here.
Oh, so heavy. This is bad idea. Kapsa ko ya opsa. Shit. Oh no. This balanghoy is not plant.
This is a kamote.
This is a tubo.
Ay tubo.
There's a
So, you guys, this is our banana tree. It's so very high to me. Plus, I cannot see the banana. Do you see it?
No see why.
Do you see it?
No see. No see there.
Do you see it?
Hala.
Do you see it, guys?
See guys.
I told you guys you can actually see it, guys. Here, guys, it's over here too.
Avocado set.
Want my avocado? Did you actually see that yellow thing? Okay, good. Okay, guys, here it is. That is the banana tree. And you see for the top? Here, boy. Here, guys, there's a kamote. So very big.
the white cassava.
Yeah, that is actually that's a white cassava because inside of it is actually white. Look like to be a coconut too.